Is your vacuum cleaner parts broken? Stuck with pricing or human parts? Cici is here to show you some high-quality, budget-friendly alternatives for your Dyson Gen5. Perfect fight, no compromise. techTongBo is a source factory with tons of stock ready to ship. Need bulk orders? We've got you covered, saving your time and money. Vacuum loose function? Might be time for a new filter. Smooth installation, one step down. You deserve this upgrade. Cleaning brush kit, your ultimate tool for every mess. In most cases, it needs to be used together with a hose. Or grab this up-top adapter. Hands-free cleaning. Here we go. Oh, pet parents, we've got you too. With it, the heavyweight trim is here. This one's got a water tank for mopping. This soft roller brush, perfect for hard floors. And the best part, we are way cheaper than the originals. Like way cheaper. Need Dyson parts? Don't wait. Contact us now and let's get your vacuum bag in action.